Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up and then you open your phone and then you realize that your content is already shared, your leads are in your DM, they are asking you, oh, how can we pay this? Or they've already ordered something from you and your business kept moving while you are asleep, while you were sleeping. That's not just automation, girl. That is a system. You already have a system. And the best part of this is that it is built around tools you already have access to, especially AI. You guys, do not sleep on this. Hi guys, I'm Natasha Adifala, a social media strategist, digital product creator, and founder of my 247 virtual assistant. I work with clients around the world to build content systems that attract high ticket clients, sell digital products, and create consistency on autopilot. Yes, and today I'm showing you how I do it for myself, step by step. So the very first step that we are going into is the step one, which is going to be start with your content pillars. You really need to have a content pillar. I say this all of the time. AI is only as smart as the strategy you give to it. You cannot use ChatGPT and not know the right prompts to use with it to get the best result. If you are feeding it random tasks, you will get random results. But if you give it your all, if you give it structure, it becomes your assistant. You'll be able to use it to your. So the very first thing that I do is revisit my content pillars. Yes. So my content pillars are social media strategy, AI in content, then digital product sales, business systems, and then client attraction. These guides every piece of content I generate. Those are like my own content pillar that I use as a foundation to get every piece of content that I share on my YouTube, on my Instagram. If you are new and unsure of yours, write down 4 to 6 areas of your ideal client needs and what you help them with. Don't overthink it. Just start with what you already know, then how to teach it. Exactly. It's easy for you when you have a content pillar to help you generate content on ChatGPT. So step number 2, I use AI to generate my content ideas in bulk. So what I do is that now that I have my pillars, I open ChatGPT, then I use this exact prompt. You can just write it down. I'm going to be adding all of the prompt that I use in the end of this video, or I'll add it in the description of this video. Act like a high-level social media strategist based on these 5 content pillars. Insert your own content pillars, but these are mine. Give me 30 content ideas designed to attract premium clients and increase digital product sales. Once I get that list, I scan through it and then I sort them in a way that I pick my 3 or my 15 to 20 best content types that has education, how-to, tips, systems, then conversion, then authority content, client results, personal insights, and then mindset. That simple sorting system, it helps me to know what I'm creating each week and ensures that my content isn't just tips, how-tos, or salesy, or just educational content that I'm consistently teaching people. Then step number 3, I batch create content outlines and captions using AI. Yes. So what I do is that I ask ChatGPT to expand those ideas into posts. What I do is that those ideas that you share with me, I edit it into captions. For example, take these ideas while your content isn't converting. Write 200 Instagram caption with 3 bullet points written in a confident conversational tone with a strong call to action at the end. I do this for about 10 to 15 posts at once. It's easier that way. It saves me a lot of hours per week and I'm able to use that time to create other things that is going to move my business forward. Optional, another thing is that what I think that you can do is that you can also use this particular prompt that I've shared with you, tweak it to some of the ones that you want, and tweak it to your own brand tone or your voice, so that 80% of the heavy lifting is already done for you. When the captions are already created for you, you are able to almost sort it because you just edit it and then change the tone for your brand. Step number 4, I automate scheduling using tools like Meta Planner or Social Charm. Yes. So for this, now that my content is already written, I don't just sit and sit on it, then and now I will not schedule them. I schedule everything in advance. So even when I'm offline, my business is visible. Even when I don't feel like I'm not in the mood to create content, my business is still visible. My go-to tools are Meta Business Suite and Social Charm, and I also use Instagram inbuilt scheduling feature because it's also so easy to use and it's just so convenient. So this is how I stay present without being glued to my phone or being glued to my computer every time. Automation doesn't just replace presence, it protects your presence. Exactly. Don't think that automation, AI, or things like that is going to replace your role. No. So step number 5, I use AI to repurpose and reframe. Yes, I use AI to repurpose content and then reframe. This is the best. This is another part that I feel that is one of the best parts that new social media managers can use so that they don't miss out on it. You should not just create content and more content every time. Squeeze more out of the content that you already have. That content of yours that went viral, repurpose it. I use ChatGPT again and I say, take this carousel caption and rewrite it for a 30-second Instagram reel with an emotional hook, fast transitions, and a call to action. Using prompts like this, you get the best result from it. Another thing is that I can say is that turn this content into an email newsletter promoting my digital product. You just have to let it know the digital product I'm talking about so that you can streamline it to it. Now, one idea becomes a carousel, a reel, email, LinkedIn posts, YouTube shorts. Imagine that. That's how I build omnipresence without burning out. You see my posts on almost every of these social media platform. I stay consistent because of AI. Step number 6, I track performance using analytics summaries with AI. What I do is every week I review what is working. Yes, AI helps with that too. What you can do is just go to your Instagram, go to your insights, copy your metrics from your Instagram insight and then tell ChatGPT this. You can use this prompt, summarize this data and tell me what content types are performing best and how I can improve engagement next week. So you can make a screenshot, then you can even add that screenshot on ChatGPT to get the best result. It gives you an instant overview of top performing posts, best performing formats, what topics I should double down on. You don't need a full team. You just need a smarter workflow. When you know that this particular workflow is working for you, all you have to do is just double down on it. It's easier that way rather than creating content, being burnt out and doing repetitive and all of that. All you have to do in this is that using this workflow is just to rinse and repeat. To recap, my AI workflow includes clarifying content pillars, generating ideas in bulk, writing with prompts, scheduling in advance, repurposing across formats, reviewing analytics weekly. This is the same system I use for myself and for my agency clients. Yes, and it is the reason I can actually stay consistent, show up with strategy, and actually enjoy creating content again. I'll advise that if you want to build your own AI powered system like this, I break the entire thing down in my playbook, AI Cash Machine. Yes, every information that you need is right there. It's not just a guide, it's not just an ebook, it's a plug and play content system that shows you how to plan, how to write, and how to scale your content using ChatGPT or using AI. And if you are tired of guessing, you are tired of being confused, you don't even know how to, you want to grow smarter, and you don't know how to start, click the link in my description box. And if you want me to send it to you directly, you can comment the word system and I'll get it into your inbox or I'll send it to your email. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you until the next time. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help. Have a lovely time. See you until the next one, guys. Bye.